I think it's worth it.
Okay?
I think it's worth to have a cost of, unfortunately, some gun deaths every single year.
So he is okay with gun deaths or gun related violence every now and again, okay? Why?
That we can have the Second Amendment to protect our other God-given rights.
Okay. So he is okay with anyone can purchase a gun because yung second amendment na yon will protect us from yung other constitutional rights natin. Kumbaga, the right to bear arms is to just defend. Unfortunately, there are some people who would do criminal acts doon. Gets nyo? So, ang irony dito, he is the one who got killed because of people taking the law into their own hands. Kasi basically, yun yung nangyari. Some people does not like him. Does the liberal people that want him? Ang sabi kasi, ang tsumugi daw sa kanya is conservative din daw. Pero wala pang report ngayon dyan, okay? We will find out that soon. And
Nico David, let me tell you, okay? Charlie Kirk is assassinated. Do you know what that means? That means somebody hated him so much that the person wanted to kill him. Do you understand that? Gun violence did not kill Charlie Kirk. Somebody did. You understand that? So even if you put a lockdown on all the gun shop here in the States, they will find something else. They will do something else. They will find a different way to assassinate him. You get that? Do you get that? Maybe you should look at Israel, because Israel has an open carry policy, meaning a lot of their soldiers are carrying firearms. Do you get that? If you YouTube Israel, you could see their soldiers wearing civilian uniforms. They're just out there. And there's like firearms everywhere. And when you research, you don't see a lot of gun violence over there, even though there's guns everywhere. Do you understand what you're saying? You need to think. You need to think, bro. Think deep. You said it yourself. Some people like to take the law into their own hands. You said it yourself. That's the problem here. This person hated Charlie Kirk so much that this person wanted him dead. So much hatred. That's the problem. Not gun violence. Even if you lock down all the gun stores here in the US, they would find a different way to shut him up or to kill him. So you need to think more about what you're saying. Because if somebody want to commit crime, either a gun or no gun, they would find a way. The same thing if, like in Israel, if there are guns everywhere and the person does not want to commit crime, there will be no crime. You really need to think about what you're saying. You need to do more research. That's all I can say. I saw this video and blaming a gun for the death of Charlie Kirk doesn't make no sense, because the gun didn't automatically pointed itself and shot Charlie Kirk. Somebody did. Somebody who has intention, who has evil in his heart. So that's it. I'm peacing out.